it on your head. The spa is fully booked, but you know a guy who works for treats and head scratches. Professional deep tissue massage in progress. My cat might be assembly required because the instructions were clearly upside down.
Yeah.
You have 8 kids, but only one trip from the car is allowed. You're the only one in the group project actually doing the work while the supervisor just watches. Forget that the big gray pillow has a 0.5 second. Gravity is just a theory until the cat decides it is time for a plant to learn. Requested a standard house cat and they sent me a highly suspicious undercover agent who clearly knows I am. I spent years training for this moment, masterfully honing my predatory instincts. Had a long week of being a good boy and finally decide to identify as a human in a hot tub. I adopted a cat, but it turns out I actually just living with a very...
Huh?
You're a herding dog, but the sheep is just one giant egg. Safety first, because this golden boy is about to drop in and steal your girl. Happy, hydrated, and wearing a helmet that fits his head but probably not his brain. If you see him rolling, mind your business, he has a busy schedule of naps and kickflips. Living life in the... The new intern thinks they can handle your workload but then actually sees your workload. Got the spirit of a mountain lion but the legs of a corgi. You try to explain the economy to your younger sibling, but they just want to know where the snacks are located. Spend your entire skill point budget on cuteness and leave absolutely... Spider Cat's origin story is off to a rocky start after he realized gravity wasn't just a suggestion. Mission failed. Time I try to better myself, my cat reminds me that his only fitness goal is to see me fail. Spent 5 minutes carefully calculating exactly how much trouble I will be in if I touch the forbidden triangle. Calculation complete. Try to play it cool, but your center of gravity has other plans. Try to enjoy your outdoor lunch in peace, but the neighbor's kid keeps glitching through the scenery. You fall asleep mid-grooming and wake up wondering whose leg this is and why it is pointing at the... Your boss asks for that report by end of day and you finally mastered the...
Huh? Huh?
Thought I was the predator until the bird hit me with the reverse card. Now I am just sitting here questioning my entire lineage. You're trying to play it cool, but the churro is life and your internal predator has zero chill. Thought for a second the ginger cat was glitching through the floor, but it... You're trying to stay on a diet, but the cinnamon rolls start reading you. No idea how he got up there or why he is currently reconsidering every life choice he has ever made, but I am 100% sure. Gravity finally catches up with your last 2 brain cells. Requested a wake-up call, not a zest for life. Human tries to do laundry but forgets that you are the load balancer. Trying to play it cool, but the hood is heated and a nap is non-negotiable. 1 minute you're a fierce predator and the next you're just an orange speed bump with an attitude problem. Undercover. You ask your bird for a massage but forget he only has one setting: aggressive exfoliation. Gravity 1, dog 0. Just a friendly reminder that while you may have... You really want to create chaos, but your one remaining brain cell is telling you that gravity is a dangerous mistress. human says we are out of treats, so you have to start your training to join the circus. My sister are just enjoying the view while the cat is currently recalculating its 9 lives.
Yeah.
Thought for a second he was just going to let it slide, and then I saw his face. I am currently writing this from the after. Listen, I am not in the mood today. Also Mio, so we are choosing violence? Fine.
Oh, no.
You're trying to have a dramatic main character moment, but the head scratches are just too elite. Your social battery is at 5%, but your nap game is at 100. This puppy. See, you have 2 hands, but clearly not enough paws on top of them. Hold on, let me fix that for you. Balance restored. What? They tell you slow and steady wins the race, but you realize the prize is a 5-pound predator having a...